So a little over a year ago, the great folks over at Magnaflow asked if I wanted to test out their new Overland exhaust. It was new back then. And what's cool about the Overland exhaust, it's not too loud by any means. There's no drone on the highway that I've noticed. Now, some other people have experienced somewhat of a drone, but you're about to see. You can watch the original video that I test drove it right after install. Next to no drone on the highway at highway speeds. It's got a good growl to it. You can actually hear some of the V8 open up. I don't know if I gained any horsepower or anything like that. I mean, unless I do intake and cat or headers and tune it, you're not going to see significant increase in performance. I mean, you're talking, this is a loaded down vehicle. It started out heavy, added a bunch of stuff to it. It is not a quick vehicle by any means. So, but some of you guys were asking, what does it sound like over a year later? I installed this at the end of September 2021. And again, you can go back to the original video a year ago and listen to what it sounded like back then. This is a different phone. I think I had the iPhone 11 back then. Maybe it was the 12. I'm filming this on an iPhone 12 mini, so it's roughly similar. No, not editing the audio in any way, shape, or form. So you can hear exactly what it sounds like in the cabin. So I am on a side street right now, about to hop on the highway, and what I'm gonna do is just drive on the highway for like 4 or 5 minutes. You can hear the sweet sounds of the town, but hopefully you get a sense of what it actually sounds like in the cabin. I don't know about you, I could care less about what an exhaust sounds like when I'm sitting next to the exhaust outside. That's not where I'm at. I want to know what it sounds like in the cabin. All right, so if you want to hear what it sounds like outside, maybe I can do like a short or something and do that for you, or you can email me and I can send you a video clip of that. But this is just going to be in the cabin itself. I'm about to hop on the highway, so I'm on this on-ramp, so I'm going to be stuck in traffic, for lack of better words, as they kind of ease people onto the road. But I'll fast forward through some of this. But anyways, here's what it sounds like. We got a little bit of traffic here, so I'll let you know when it opens up. If we're stuck for a while, I'll fast forward this. Now, to let you know, I said this before in the last video, but I'm running on 255 80 17s pizza cutters, 33-inch tires. They are Cooper ST Maxes with a few years of life on them. Have the Baja rack up top with the Tough Stuff Alpha tent. Got a couple ditch light brackets, so you might hear some of that noise as well. All right, so this is at 65 miles an hour on my Speedo. Oh, before I hit this car in front of me, I was at 65 on my speedometer, but that's with stock tires. So GPS would probably clock me about 4 or 5 miles per hour faster than that. I'm at 55 now. 75 now. Gotta love California driving. You're not hearing anything because I'm just coasting. And coasting in a GX means you're slowing down quite a bit because all the drag. Trying to get up to some semblance of highway speed so I can put it on cruise and you can hear what it sounds like at highway speeds. Again, some people were saying there was a drone, but I haven't had any of that. Back in the Fast and Furious days, I had a 2000 Civic Si with a catback exhaust, and that thing would drone at highway speeds, which was really annoying. Okay. This is 70 miles per hour by my speedometer. There is quite a bit of wind noise. So this is probably closer to 75 miles an hour. So that's it. Gotta hit my brakes here. Set my speedometer to 62 miles an hour, so it's probably closer to 65, 66. There's a little bit of a low-end grumble. Going up a hill here, so it's giving it more gas. That's it. You're hearing wind noise from the tent and the roof rack, road noise from the tires. But that's it, guys. I mean, a lot of you guys were asking in the last video for an update to see if it's opened up or if it got way louder. I can't tell because I drive it often, obviously, but this is kind of what it sounded like from day one. It's been really mellow because obviously the last thing you want to do getting into camp after dark or leaving early in the morning is you don't want to sound like you're some 67 Chevelle with glass packs on the, you know, super loud and annoying for the rest of the campers out there. So, but you want to have a little bit of grumble, but you don't want to be that guy. So I think it's perfect. And what's great about this exhaust is it's made for overlanding, so it's stainless steel, it's really low profile, so it doesn't stick out below the frame. It's really well made. It's Magnaflow, so you know they're not going anywhere. A lot of times with the overlanding fabrication companies, they give you a great warranty, but then they're out of business in a few years just because the logistics of the business, especially through like the last year and a half we've had. So they're not going anywhere. Magnaflow isn't giving me anything. I don't have like a promo code to give you a perk. I'm not getting any money from Magnaflow. Like I said, they did give me this exhaust, but man, after having it, I would buy it. I totally would. I'd pay money. I was gonna get something anyways. Don't tell them this, but I was gonna get something anyways. And if this was out at the time, I would have gotten it. So I hope that's helpful. Put any questions you have in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer them. Hopefully it's helpful for you. But yeah, what exhaust are you running, or are you comfortable with your stock exhaust from Toyota? Let me know. Catch you later.